Working in America typically requires the following steps. Visa or work authorization. Determine your eligibility to work in the United States. There are various visa categories and work authorization options available, depending on your qualifications, skills, and the purpose of your employment. Some common work visas include the H-1B visa for specialty occupations, the L-1 visa for intra-company transfers, and the J-1 visa for exchange visitors. It is important to research and identify the visa category that suits your situation best. You can consult the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services (USCIS) website or seek advice from an immigration attorney for accurate and up-to-date information. Job search. Look for suitable job opportunities in the United States. You can utilize online job portals, company websites, professional networking platforms like LinkedIn, and job fairs to explore available positions. Research industries and companies that align with your skills and interests. Networking is also crucial, as many job opportunities are filled through personal connections.